It's a notebook cooling pad, tornado, built in two big quiet fans, blue LED fan backlight, office for notebook users, tracer. The fans are running at 1200 RPM. There are two fans, 21 and 26 decibels noise, 115 CFM airflow. It's powered by the USB plug. No additional power supply required. It's using the USB port. Light and durable design. Notebook cooling pad. And that's it. So it looks like this. There's a tracer logo there. You can lift those up. It has a softer material here. It has two USB ports on this side. Switch. Nothing on the other side. Nothing here. It has two legs and two extendable legs. So a larger one and a smaller one. Here's the fan itself, 5 volts, 219 milliamps. If you place this on your lap, then it will not be able to draw the air in. Here's a laptop. It's exactly the size of this laptop. Oops. So this cable has two USB ends. Let's plug in one USB into the laptop and the other USB into one of these. Nothing happens. Let's power the laptop on. So that's the power switch. I can barely feel something. There is something. So it's working, and let's see if I power off the laptop. It will hibernate. It's set to hibernate. The LED is still on, so it's not totally off. Yes, so after it is turned off, then the fans also stop. I powered it back on. That turned on also. It looks nice. The USB is on the right side of the laptop and this is on the left side. And yes, it is long enough. And it's blue, it turned on. So you can use it from this end till that end also. Let's see the rear USB. That one's working also. And let's see that USB port. It has power. And yes, the laptop sees the flash drive, so you can use this one also. You are losing one USB port from the laptop, but you are gaining another one here, and that one is behind. That one is on the left side, so it's even better. So it's here 16 gigabyte, and if I remove the flash drive, then that disappeared from there. If I unplug it, then of course this USB will not work. Nothing, the LED is not on. So this is a power cable for the cooler's fans, and it's also a data cable for a USB device. Now it's on, and it's detected here in Windows also. Now it's off. Now it's on. So if these are plugged, the air cannot enter from the lower part, but it still can enter here on the side somewhere and then pushed up there. So it's not a total loss if you block the lower part. For example, this laptop heats up mostly here on the left side. The rest will not be as hot. So since this one has two fans, this one is capable of blowing the left side of the laptop. There's a gap because the laptop has its own legs, these. So although it's pushed totally to the front, in the back it's almost in one line. If I power on the fan, then the USB is working, the LED is red, and thus it's usable on the laptop. But if I turn off the blue LEDs, the stick is still usable, so that's a good point. So I can access the contents of that flash drive even if the fan is turned off from this switch. So now the fan is working, the blue LED is there, and if I power off the laptop, now the laptop is off and everything turned off. Okay, but this is a setting from the laptop. At least on this model, you can set the USB ports to give power even if the laptop is off. So this one is set to turn off USB power when the power is turned off, but you can allow the USB port to give power to this cord also. For testing purposes, you can plug it into a desktop PC also. If you press hard here on the center, the metal mesh will reach the fan. It's held here, it's supported, plus on the sides.